All right, Brittany with the 12 gauge shotgun. She's never shot a 12 gauge shotgun before.
Hold on to it.
Yeah, hold it super tight.
Pull it into your shoulder before you fire so that it doesn't punch you.
Okay. What are you shooting at?
Okay, diff cover.
The hanging one?
Yeah.
Safety off. All right, so as back into your shoulder as you can, super tight, hard. Pull it back into your shoulder, hard as you can.
Oh God, I tipped part of it.
Safety on.
Why are you shaking?
Oh God.
Let's go see what happened. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. That is.
Did you get it?
The thing's so beat up.
Yeah, I can't really tell.
But I heard it ding.
I did too.
I think,
Okay.
yeah, I think
one of the balls-
the
one of
balls
the balls got
The
it.
slug went 50 yards past.
That's yeah.
That's a what?
That's a solid punch in the shoulder.
Alright,
I want to try it again. Golly. Good Lord.
Yeah, I would not want to be.
That's insane.
I would not want to be on the other side of that. Want to take a shot? Yeah, I heard that one.
Those slugs kick like mules.
Those two.
Show the backside. So far?
I mean, that's actually
Not bad?
not bad. So I don't
Pretty
wanna-
soft though, the way it bends like that.
Yeah.
You want to go grab the Motobilt?
Yeah, we can do that.
All right, so as promised, we are out here testing the Motobilt diff cover compared to the OEM diff cover. We have the rear one out there at 50 yards, and our friend Ryan here is going to shoot it with his 223. Dang.
That does.
Yeah. I'd say that was a good one. Let's go check it out.
Actually, I put a pretty decent group on there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, there's the copper jackets on the.
It's stuck.
Oh, wow, yeah.
That's actually not bad for as fast as I was shooting.
All right, so we've got the rear diff cover out here at 50 yards. Kevin has gone ahead and set up the front one out there at 100 yards. And we actually have the Motobilt one set up way back here at about 10 yards. We figured since the Motobilt diff cover was a little sturdier built, we'd give the OEM ones a bit of a handicap, put them further back, and make it a little more difficult for the Motobilt ones to withstand the bullets.
All right, so we have a 12 gauge shotgun that we just recently picked up. We're gonna use these Winchester Defender stop threat, a 1 ounce rifled slug, and 3 double-aught buck pellets. All right, everybody, ready? Well, that was cool.
Sounded solid. Oh yeah.
Wow. Almost nothing. I mean, there's a
In
little.
the sunlight. There you go.
There's a little tiny divot there. You see it? And then you can see where the double-aught hit. There's absolutely nothing. It's smooth as can be. Where the slug hit, you've got a nice little dent there, but
We got another.
that's still this is literally still usable.
Yeah.
I could throw this on the Jeep right now and run it. The stock cover, not so much. So here's the spread on it. Slug, double-aught, double-aught, double-aught.
All three of them hit?
Yeah.
Just like the
Yeah, yeah. So literally, if this was you, you'd be hit here, slug, double lot, double lot, double lot.
You'd be crap out of luck.
Yeah, that was a good one though.
That's a pretty cool round that you got there.
I think so. I'm gonna pick up some more.
So we're gonna take the Motobilt diff cover and put it over here on the 100-yard mound. All right, so we've got our factory front diff cover set up directly next to the Motobilt diff cover. We're gonna shoot both of them with the 223 and see how they fare. Let's do this. So next up, we've got a AR-15.
Yeah,
And we are currently using
And then I'll move the Motobilt up.
223, 55 grain, full metal jackets to shoot. So we're gonna shoot both the OEM and the Motobilt diff covers at 100 yards and see what happens.
We going through both of them?
I don't know if they went through the bigger one or not. We'll see.
Let's go check it out. Oh, yeah.
Those are not bulletproof.
All right, so safe to say neither of these diff covers can handle the 223 at 100 yards.
Not a full metal jacket. Yeah.
Pretty good hunk of steel.
Yeah. Woo.
Clean hole. Looks like you
Those
drilled
are
it.
clean holes, man.
Those
Yeah.
It looks like it was shot the other way.
Just melted right through. Oh, it's such a shame to damage such a beautiful piece of steel.
Let me take it to work. I'll weld the holes back
will.
up.
There you go. That works.
Redneck ingenuity. Freedom seeds.
Free. We're calling bullets freedom seeds today. All right, so next up we got both of them at about 10 to 15 yards, and we are going to shoot them with a 9mm.
Can't tell what was happening.
He was shooting stuff.
All right, so
I doubt it went through that.
No.
no.
Ting.
Yeah. No,
Ting. So this is the 9mm marks.
Mhm.
Here. Here. So the 9mm didn't do anything at all.
So it's bulletproof when using the correct velocity.
Yeah. It's bulletproof unless you're using a full metal jacket.
The 9mm. All right, those were just target practice rounds. Let's see what it did.
Oh, it dented it all up. Dents, dents, dents.
Yeah.
Dent. Oh, look at the lip. Super good. You can look at the lip. The lip is all deformed. We hit with the 9mm here and down here. You can see how it completely bent. See the lip right here?
Yep.
See up here?
Completely bent and deformed the lip with the 9mm, which, like I kind of said when we installed the diff covers to begin with, so we were less concerned with something puncturing the diff covers than we were basically a rock catching on it and ripping that lip back. So you can see on here, definitely pulled the lip and deformed it with the 9mm, whereas on the Motobilt diff covers, you can see these edge hits here, also with 9mm. And as you can see,
Absolutely nothing.
those things are still straight as a board, completely fine. You can continue driving your vehicle.
Look at the lip on this one. I mean, it is completely deformed. It just bent back. I mean, this side too, but that's exactly what we wanted to see.
So the shooting test has actually done a good job of proving one of the main points we had in keeping your OEM diff covers versus swapping to the aftermarket Motobilt ones that are thicker. That lip is very important. You want that to be as sturdy as possible. You don't want any rocks to catch and peel that back when you're on the trails. So storm kind of kicked us out. We had to stop shooting, but
It's raining.
yeah, it's raining now. But we did, I think, manage to get the point across that we were trying to, and that was basically the thickness or the beefiness of the lip on those diff covers. On Motobilts, you have no worries as far as a rock or something on the trail peeling that back and leaving you stranded because your diff fluid is all over the ground. Whereas the factory ones, you could kind of see how those deformed quite a bit with the 9mm. I'd say it's a good thing that the guys are such a, I was gonna say such a good shot, but maybe not such a good shot.
We hit the cover.
They hit the cover.
We
No,
hit the
they
cover.
did it. They did it
And it
Fantastic
was
job.
Spread out through it was spread out all over the cover, and we hit the lip. We hit the lip 3 or 4 times. That was me aiming at the lip precisely.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, 100%.
I honestly, I can't say anything. I am awful with handguns. I can't aim for crap. I'm actually a pretty novice marksman. I've probably fired a weapon maybe 5 or 6 times in my life. But yeah, I definitely want to try a 12 gauge again. I feel like I can improve there. I'm gonna have a bruise though. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have a bruise from that one. But anyways, you guys, I hope that you were thoroughly entertained and you enjoyed it as much as we did. But as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we will see you next time.
Later, guys.
Yeah.
Just be ready for it to shoot. Right behind me.
Booyah.
Damn, nice shot.
Two.
Looks cool with that storm coming in.
Another hit.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I think that big one's a little big for you right now.
Woo! Nice.
Oh, that's it.
That's it. All right.
Okay, safety on. It's gonna be on the left side.
Oh, that's not it. I got this out for you.
Perfect. Nice work.
What do you think?
Handgun.
I like this one. We should get one of these.
22 at 100 yards. Boom, hit. Hit, nice. Nice. Go for the little one now.
Oh, I'm out.
Oh, dang.
Whew.